Right, good morning everyone. Now, Jane, they've taken 3 or 4 coats and I still have to go back and fill some of them in, just in odd places. So I've got all of the horses done for the carousel and I'm just going to be working on these today, but I've got to fill in the gaps where we keep getting, you know, it's like the paint splitting, but once I've stopped that, then I can go on to the next stage. It's almost completed now. There's just oddments. It keeps splitting the paint. I don't know why. And I did give it an undercoat to start with, so it shouldn't really. So I'm just going to let this go through these now. And then I think that should be the last time I do anything to them. And all these will be painted. Oh God, I painted myself. All these will be painted as well. But because I'm putting the clay on them, for those who don't know, I'm going to be putting like a saddle made from clay. So I will let you see me do that. But, you know, there was no point in me filming everything black because you just paint everything. It's all the same. You know what I mean? There might only be, you might not be able to see them, but I was. And when I see something like this, I have to sort it out. I can't leave it. I'm a bit of a stickler for things like that. Even though, you know, you wouldn't have probably seen it when I put the silver on. I just spotted that there, see? But hey, brilliant. Loved them. They've come out really well. I can't wait to do them, Jane, to be honest. So they won't take long to dry. See, I've just spotted a little bit more, even though I've gone over them. Just there on the tail. Maybe they've had a bit, because I did wipe them down beforehand, but they might have a, you know, like hand grease on them or something, but it's worked anyway. It's, how's that got a bit of a bobbly bit on its bum? It hasn't now. A bit of dry paint on it, I think. Yeah, I'm thrilled with them. They've actually come out really nice. Right, I'm going to do it from this angle because it's the only way I can fit the whole thing in. And you can probably see what I'm doing. So, I started off, we put these in here just to give me separate the top. Now what I've got to do is I'm going to silver black. I hope. Let's do silver black. Yeah, right, okay. Now, and what I'm going to do first, I am not going to stick these down because these are coming off. They're only there to separate them. Now all your orders have gone out, folks. They went out yesterday. There's only the ones from yesterday are still here, but they're all different sizes really. And I'm going to do the front there. That's going to be the front, so we'll have a silver panel here. Now I'm using the Viva and it's the Inca Gold, and the thing is, just bear with me because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. Put some water in there because Viva, these sprays, these creams you can paint with. Let me just see, because I'm going to paint it silver first. And then I might put some decorating on it. Although I might not. It's going on alright like this. And it might need 2 coats. Yeah. So like I said, these will come off, these strips. See those? And then we'll have some beading or something going up there. And then what we're going to do as well is underneath, I'm going to leave the trim. And we're going to do the trim in silver so it stands out, and then leave this black. But one thing I'm going to do if I can, now I need a different brush for that. Let me get my flat brush, that's it. I have to be careful. Not that I ever am. But I want to do this section underneath, just the band. Hope you can see. Now if I make a mistake and put it on the roof, that can be corrected by just painting over it. I just want to do a silver band. But I can go over any of the silver that I've gone, if I've gone over onto the thing separate. Now that's alright because I'm doing that as well. Oh, look at that. Nice. And don't forget, we made this out of clay, that soft clay. And I've got a mould, and we just made so many strips. And then I cut them individually and moved them apart. And we did that with it. And they're quite firm. But they will be packed properly, Jane, when I send it off to you, love. Yeah, I think that'll do for that top. I mean, that's really pretty, and when we take this off and put the bands on, it'll be just right. So now what I've got to do is to do the band underneath. Oh, I love this. Jane, do you want a refund? I'm only kidding, love. I'd like to make my granddaughter one of these, actually. That's gorgeous. Love it. So I will be filling it in with the black, and I'm going to do the this bit silver as well, because that will then match the bit at the top. And it's got a little bit of texture to it. Okay, I'm just going to leave that to dry for now, and then I'll be back with the next part. Thanks for watching.